What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. You know I love Mini Bratz. Right now they are on Series 3. Priced at $9.99 each, I picked these up at Target. You all already know they are the perfect dolls for dolls. Ooh, this is a new one for me. Bratz World Tokyo A-Go-Go Jade. Got a little paint on her arm. But we are still adding her to our Mini Bratz collection until we get a double and then we can switch her out. We get 2 in each capsule, and our second one is Slumber Party Sasha. Perfect. I love cozy casual dolls. This is adorable. Her hair is styled in braids, she is finished all the way around, and her paint looks pretty good. But if we head over to our Mini Bratz collection, we are totally running out of shelf space. I haven't even put those dolls on the shelf yet. So I guess we could kick some non-working dolls off the shelf, or we can make a new shelf. My cube shelves can handle a 14 by 13 inch box. So I measure and cut a 14 by 13 rectangle of foam board. I cut 2 strips for the sides that measure 13 by 2 inches. I use leftover foam board to cut 14 by 1.5 inch shelves. I have 5 shelves, then I cut a 3/4 inch strip for the bottom. I glue the 3/4 inch strip to the bottom shelf, then glue it onto the back of the board. Glue on a shelf every 2.5 inches, then glue on the sides. I cut a 1/4 inch strip to add down the center for a little extra support to make a large shelving unit. Then I use the leftover foam board to make a smaller shelf. The shelves here are about 8 inches wide. All of this was made with 1 piece of foam board. It measured 20 by 30 inches. I paid $4.99 from Michael's. And I got 2 pretty nice sized shelving units. Now, they don't have a top. If I want them to have a top, I will have to cut another piece of foam board, which I did. It was from my scrap bin, and I'm just gonna glue it on top. My top shelf is shorter than the others, so you can always play around with the spacing to get it the way you want. Now we can just move them around to change the layout of the room. I can add the motorcycles and cars to the top shelf, then add in-box and out-of-box dolls. I put a little poster putty or blue tack on the bottom to keep everything in place, while still giving me the option to move things around. Now we have way more space for our Mini Bratz collection, and we can add more shelves as needed, because you know we will need them. Who's being added next? And I didn't have the little cheat code that lets you know what is on the display, so I'm kind of just hoping we don't get too many doubles. It's the Yasmin styling head, which we already have in our collection. And that means this one is a double as well. Yep. I have one more from Series 3, and it is Formal Funk Jade. Nice. She's all pink and peach. Adorable. And finished all the way around. And the other one is Slumber Party Megan, wearing some adorable little monkey pajamas. Look at the details. We have to check out Always Bratz. I bought Cloe and Sasha on Amazon for $24.99 each. They both have an illustration on one side of the box, as well as on the back with some character info. Sasha considers her style streetwear with flair, while Cloe changes with her mood. Sometimes it's casual cool, sometimes it's drama. We get a poster with each doll. They are creased, but what caught my eye about these dolls is that they have some articulation in the arms. There is movement at the shoulder, there's a turn at the upper arm, and there's movement at the elbow, and they can move at the wrist. However, to me, the joints feel a little soft, and the arms are a little floppy. There is movement at the head. It can turn from side to side, tilt a little, and look up and down. Can it look up and down? Yeah, just a little. The legs can go forward and back. How about out to the side? Not really. We get a click knee. The feet can rotate at the ankle and can be removed. Sasha's hair is really soft. It's styled into 2 ponytails. They are in twist. She has painted edges and her face screening is super clean. No pixels here. Her ears are pierced and the earrings are removable. She comes wearing a hot pink puffy vest with a faux zipper. It's removable and she wears a cropped shirt underneath. It has mesh sleeves with a ribbon detail, and on the front it says Bratz. She has wide leg pants with white stitching and cargo pockets on the sides. There's an orange ribbon detail with a jump ring and a faux button. The fabrics continue all the way around and they Velcro in the back. She comes with a few accessories including a hairbrush, orange sunglasses, pink headphones, a necklace, clear pink bag, a water bottle. It's kind of cute. Nail polish, I'm guessing? Or is it lip gloss? I don't know. And an orange cell phone. And it's possible to balance them to stand. Cloe comes with her hair pulled up into a high ponytail. She has a denim hair accessory, a beautiful face, large gold hoops, wears a denim jacket with faux gold buttons, a white tube top with black suspenders, a two-tone denim skirt with faux buttons and a string of pearls on the side. Then there's some denim on the lower leg and some pearly white shoes. She also comes with a hairbrush, pink sunglasses, a pink purse that can open, a pearl necklace, 2 pearly hair clips, what I assume is pink lip gloss or nail polish, more nail polish, a tiny compact with a mirror, and it can open and close, and a cell phone. I love the fashion focus with Bratz. The clothes are detailed, the accessories are super cute, the hair feels great, the faces are beautiful, but I personally love them on made-to-move bodies, like our little hybrid Whitney. I put the doll Sasha on a curvy made-to-move Barbie body, and I think I'm gonna stick with her because I like the more neutral lip color better. So you, Sasha, won't be losing your head today. However, Cloe, if I can find a match, it's totally happening. Barbie looks number 16 looks pretty close, but I don't think it's going to be perfect. But let's give it a try. While waiting, let's check out the Bratz Retro Swing Chair. I bought it for $24 a while back on Amazon. It has a shiny chrome base with a stool. The stool has pink fluffy fabric that is removable. We could totally use this as a side table. There's a chrome arm that swings all the way up to hold a pink glitter dome with a fluffy pink cushion that is removable. Sasha looks very comfortable. There is plenty of headspace. Even a classic Barbie can fit. And with that made-to-move articulation, they can look really comfy. Looks great with Monster High Venus and even an Integrity Toy doll. But what about a Bratz Barbie hybrid? Here is our new Cloe after being added onto a curvy Barbie body. And the match doesn't look too bad. Her ponytail does make the chair a snug fit, but Whitney fits just fine. I gotta say, I love Bratz on made-to-move Barbie bodies. I think they look amazing. We get the vibe of a Bratz doll, but closer proportions to a Barbie. I am glad we decided to make new shelving for our mini Bratz. We can use more doubles to fill in the gaps while our collection grows. So when we get a new capsule to open, we have a fabulous Bratz background for our little reveal, which is Yasmin Girls Night Out. It's a double, but I only had one. So now we have one to play and one to display. And our second one is another car. But that's okay. We're not upset because it's all shelf filler. And the swing chair makes the perfect addition to this space for the dolls to hang out with their collection. And this is what a Barbie looks like on a Bratz body, in case you were wondering. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Bratz. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. and we will see you next time.